Discerning drivers will appreciate the 2015 Hyundai Elantra. With just over 20,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sedan prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, leather upholstery, one-touch window functionality, heated front and rear seats, front fog lights, and power windows. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 6 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Hyundai ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. We'd also be happy to help you arrange financing for your vehicle. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.